No, no, this isn't real. Look behind you. Look behind you.
Why didn't you tell me?
Because I knew you'd look at me like this. Like what?
Like I already lost you.
Good news, guys. While most AI tools are now paid, we still have some platforms that offers you free AI tools, and not just any AI tools. Top models such as Veo 3.1, Grok AI, and Seendance 2.0. Absolutely free. We are going to be testing these models in one platform together, and I'll be sharing with you additional platforms you can keep leveraging to keep generating your images and videos for free. Don't forget to subscribe. And guys, without much ado, let's get started. This platform, let's see what this platform has. This is one of the new platform I've also came across, and it's so amazing. The video quality is top notch. I mean, it's incredible. You need to see this. Okay, go ahead and try for free. Now we are going to try for free. Okay, and now you can see we have select an email to log in. Okay, just to verify yourself and log in. Okay, then verify that you are human. You're good to go. Good to go. Good to go, guys. This platform is still hot, very hot. So guys, you need to jump on it right now that it's still very hot. Okay, and the moment once you log in, you have free credits. Okay, 20. I'm going to click on this Veo 3.1, and then once you see this model, where you have this model, select models you want to generate a video with, to go ahead and scroll down. You want to see clean AI is here, Sora is here, Seendance is here, and Grok Imagine is also here. Pixpass is here, guys. This is incredible, and the image quality, the video quality are incredibly insane. So guys, you can go ahead and select anyone. So let's go ahead with Grok AI. For those of you that are still asking how to use Grok AI for free, please, this is a platform, and you can generate every generation cost 4 credits. You can see this right now. This is image to video, and then we have text to video. If you generate text to video, it will cost you 4 credits. So you see, it's very cheap. So you're going to use a free version. This settings is very important. You know, a lot of people just jump into starting to create. If you jump to start to create, you are going to make mistake, because if you choose the wrong settings, you're going to get it wrong. Okay, so don't come back and say it's not working, because it's actually working. So you see, just 4 credits and you have 20 credits. So that is how many videos you can create in a day. Calculate it for yourself. And guys, it is still very fresh and hot. Jump on it now. Then select your aspect ratio 16:9. All right, so we are going to simply press our prompt. If you have a video, image, you can upload your image. For those of you that want to use scene 1, scene 2, you can use image to video. You know what is best, but let's just see the quality on this platform. So let's go ahead and copy our image prompt and video prompt. Okay, and come here. Let's just create something. Text to video. Paste your prompt. Head back to ChatGPT. Get your prompt. Let's see the quality. You know, I love research and I love finding out new things, and I'm very excited because this platform will save a lot of you. Please let me know if you are already excited about this platform, this new platform, and also try it alongside. Let me know your feedback, if it's working, and if you'll be using it in your next project. Let's get to know it. So it's going to generate with watermark, okay, but don't worry yourself, because you can literally remove the watermark using your editing platform. Okay, so go ahead and hit generate. So the moment you hit generate, it will start generating. And guys, it doesn't take time. Just in a few seconds, your video is live, and it's insane. The result is mind-blowing. It's going to pop up here. So free videos expires after 7 days. It means that any video you generate, you have to download it immediately. Don't keep it. Okay, don't keep your video here. Just download it immediately. Okay, so you don't lose your videos. So guys, what do you think about this platform? Let me know in the comment section. And if you'll be trying this out, let me also know in the comment section, guys. And guys, our video it doesn't take time.
Hello.
Wow.
Is someone there?
I love Grok. I don't know why, but
You shouldn't be here.
I love it. Guys, this is so real.
Hello.
I mean, comparing this output with the one we use Google Vix, you can see the difference, right? So test it yourself. You see, it's so incredibly insane, guys. This is the result.
Is someone there? You shouldn't be here.
I love it. So guys, this is it. Just go ahead and try this out yourself. So if you're cool with this and you don't have anything to worry about, hit this download button and boom, your video is downloaded. So use it to generate more videos. Okay, I still have more credits remaining, so you come back the next day and continue, then sign on and log in with another email, and that is a secret on using this platform unlimited. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the post notification so you don't miss my next upload. Log into this platform, you are going to sign into the VIX, and then you use your email, whatever email you want to use, so we can start creating. So literally this platform is still free as at this moment, so you can use it for your next project. And then select your landscape, like your orientation, select your landscape, and then select view 3.1. Okay, so now we are here on the interface, so we are going to use view 3.1 here, and then we are creating from scratch. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and paste my prompt. That is my image prompt. I want to generate image from here so that I can use my image and animate it. So once you want to do that, you come to this panel, you're going to see image voice over record upload. So what we need is the image. Okay, the image. Okay, so select it, and then let's paste our prompt, image prompt. Okay, now this is beautiful already, so go ahead and generate. Once you hit that generate, it will start loading. Okay, now wait for it. In no time, our image is ready, so you can literally preview this, and if you're okay and comfortable with this, you can go ahead and of course download it. So click on it and then save image as. We want to use the image we generate on this platform to create our video, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now I'm done with the image generation. I want to go ahead and animate this, okay, and use it to create the video you just watched on the beginning of this video, where you have this view to switch to video clip. We want to generate our AI video clip from scratch. Okay, but this time I want to use animate an image so that I can upload the image that I generated. All right, so I'm going to upload my image. Okay, our image is here, so I'm going to head over to get my my motion prompt, my interface, and I'll paste my prompt. This is just motion prompt, there's no dialogue, so we need dialogue. It's very, very crucial. And then paste your dialogue. Now let's go ahead and hit, if all things are ready and good, you're good to go ahead and hit generate. So in no time our video is ready, so we're going to play it and see how it looks like.
Hello? Is someone there? You shouldn't be here.
Go ahead and put this insert.
Hello?
So you can add it to the timeline. Okay, insert this. Now we want to generate the scene 2. To maintain consistency, it's very simple. You are going to go ahead and allow the image to be here. All right, and then the only thing you need to change here is your prompt. That is the only thing you want to work on. All the scene, the reflection, and all the motion. Head over and then we paste our motion prompt, then head back, and then we get our dialogue. This is perfect, guys. Now if you're not using this tool, I don't know what you are waiting for. This tool is completely free. So like I said, make sure you add this to the timeline, else whatever thing you want to generate here will replace the first one. So be sure it is added, and this is already added.
You shouldn't be here.
This is already added. Okay, so we are going to hit this new scene, okay, for scene 2. So click on this. Scene 2 is here, so you see this place is blank, meaning that a new video that will be generated will pop up here. So these are the little mistakes that a lot of content creators are still making, and they will come back and say it's not working. It's actually working, but it's because you miss 1 or 2 steps. Okay, so make sure you follow this pattern so they can maintain. So even if you have up to 5 scenes, just like that, line it up like this, then animate everything, then take it to your editing platform and remove the watermark. That's all. Then go ahead and hit generate. So literally this platform is still generating videos. Okay, now we are using the viral TikTok videos generator. I'm going to use another model for you to see that you can still use this to generate unlimited videos and images. Awesome, so our video is ready, guys. We are going to go ahead and play this to see the production. Okay, so watch this.
Bro, did you even study for that test?
Study? I barely showed up.
Nah, you're done for. Like, actually finished.
I love it, guys. So this is absolutely beautiful. So just imagine you have another scene. I don't have another scene character. I would have generated scene 2. So this is cool. Go ahead and hit this and download. This is absolutely beautiful, guys. So this is a platform you can still use to generate for free. And then come over to Seendance 2. I mean, you can literally use Seendance 2.0 video generator for free, and it's still going to give you the perfect output. So let's go ahead and set our aspect ratio, and mean 16 by 9, and I'm going to paste all my prompts. So literally I'm not going to enhance anything because I feel like, yeah, I'm cool. So go ahead and hit generate, and it will start generating. Guys, this is how you use this platform. This platform is still free, and you can see I log in, I'm using it. And guys, our video is now ready, so let's play and see. So guys, when I said
Why didn't you tell me?
Because I knew you'd look at me like this. Like what?
Like I already lost you.
So guys, if you watched it this time, that shows that you are still using this platform to create your videos. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. And as at the time this video is made, this platform remains free and is still accessible to anyone. So go ahead and jump on this platform and keep generating your unlimited images using your favorite model. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.